guys, welcome to the adventures. So today we're going to talk about cooking in the cab, how to make cooking in your semi a whole lot easier so you can save a ton of money and eat healthier. You guys, it starts out with being organized. So first off, our truck comes standard with a 1800 watt inverter, and that's installed with the truck, and it has the outlets to go with it to make things really easy and plug and play. So starting out, it means you need to be organized. Everything needs to have a home and a space so you can work efficiently and effectively, and you're not having to get a ton of things out and put things back away. Things are falling over, falling out of your cabinets. And if you see, we actually took off our cabinet doors because that's just one less thing that we have to deal with, and the latches always break anyways. And honestly, if you're in an accident, you guys, it's such a false reality that those cabinet doors are going to keep anything behind there, because if the latches aren't working, how's it going to keep something behind the door? So we took them off, we put in our Instapot air fryer, and it works really great. It makes cooking fast, easy, convenient. So not only can we cook meats in there, but if you want, you can make Christmas cookies, you can make a cherry pie or strawberry rhubarb pie, really easy in this oven. You can make biscuits, all kinds of different things in there. And then our second go-to is the electric skillet. So that's stored right up here. We did add an extra shelf into the cabinet. That way we could have more room to store stuff. And you know, between these two, we can cook everything. And so it doesn't mean that we have to have a ton of appliance. We have found over the years now, 9 years of teaming, that it really boils down to these two. Sometimes I will bring in the Instapot regular version with the pot during winter time to make like soups, chilies, some stews, different things like that. But if I want to or I need to, I can definitely make it in the skillet too. And so then it's about having your spices, your plates, and a good table. All right, so you always want a good table. So we love the Lagoon table. It is a 360 pivot kind of table. The top comes right off, the stores behind the seat. And you also notice that we have a couch. It really makes it easy for us to be more comfortable in the truck.
Hey you, Simple Livin fan, I have a quick question. Are you a family member yet? No? Well, let me tell you. Fast, free, and it is the best way to support the channel. All you need to do is hit the subscribe button. Next to it, click on that bell and change it to all so you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. While you're there, why not leave Angela and Scott a comment on today's video, and if you have any questions, I know they'll reply. Now, with all that being said, let's head back into today's regular scheduled program.
But then having it easy, convenient for all the spices. This is our spice drawer. There's also flour, cornstarch, some sugar, oats, different things like that. So we can really make whatever we would like. We just have your basic spices in there to cook, from Mexican food for Taco Tuesday to cabbage egg roll bowl, or maybe some shepherd's pie. You guys, we do cook a wide variety of food, or maybe it's just breakfast with fried eggs and potatoes. And then if you move right on over on the other side, then you will see wash your hands. This is where our dish system is, and we do have hot water in the truck and drinking water in the truck stored right underneath there. It really makes it easy, convenient for us. It's something that we bring ahead of time, and then we store our plates right here. And then we have these two compartments up here that are our pantries, where we keep all of our canned goods and things like that. Whether you are cooking like we do and it's farm fresh food, or you're getting some of your staples from the truck stop like we also do from occasion, or you're going to Walmart, you guys, you can get your food sourced from whatever is best for you. But it really comes about having your truck set up, organized, so when you do have the food, it makes cooking easy. I hope this is helpful for you guys, and I'm really looking forward to doing a couple more cooking videos because it's been some time. Is there some foods that you would like to see me cook? Do you guys cook in the cab? How much money do you save by cooking the cab? I know for us, we save more than a mortgage payment a month just by cooking the cab, and that is really what's leading us to be able to pay off our house and become debt free. You guys, save some money and eat good. Bye.